Now, one step further, for those doing the discussion and might be missing class in person, I believe in the discussion post. I have one written already, but I believe we're going to change it up. And I'm going to want you to actually finish writing this business proposal. So make up a business in your head. I want you to make up a business in your head and do these things. Make an introduction to that company. And I want you to aim at expanding the digital market effort. So you're going to have to do some research on how you're going to build that company through the social media. And then you're going to have your increased social media engagement percent right here. I want you to start bullet pointing the methods you're going to do, whether that's, open up social media. So you're going to put which ones. You're going to put the which social medias you're going to open up. And then I want you to I want you to also include your target demographic per social media. What audience are you trying to capture with that different social media objectives? And then you're going to launch a new target email campaign. So you're going to list here how you're going to do that. How are you going to do that? Where are you going to get your contacts? Where are you going to get your contacts? So where are you going to get your contacts? So you're going to have to do some research on how to get email contacts. How do you do that? I misspelled media there. Go ahead and correct that. So how are you going to get those social media contacts? Let's see here. So this is going to be an expansion, obviously, right? So you notice how that page break added the page there, right? So we no longer need that page break. I'm going to take that page break out since our document is starting to roll down. So yeah, where are you going to get the email contacts? And then I want you to list, let's see here. You're going to list what tools in Microsoft Word that will allow you to expedite your letters. So under each one of these bullet points, you should have like an explanation. Right? So this is your explanation right there. And it doesn't have to be exactly like this format. It needs to be pretty close. But if you change your color schemes, right, the cosmetics, how you list them, if it's bullet point or paragraph form, as long as it makes sense to the reader, and how you're going to do these particular things, right? I want some detailed explanations on how you're going to do that. I want to be able to read this from a business partner and go, yes, this makes sense. Now, this needs to be accurate. So give me a little table of some kind in here that's going to explain this budget. So like, employees, labor costs, so you might put something like, and do your research, right? So you might put a table in there. Let's see, let's go ahead and split those cells real quick. And you should probably have more than one, right? So you're going to probably have like your labor costs, equipment, because maybe everybody needs a phone, a company phone. Maybe everybody needs a company laptop or something like that. You could put your equipment list. So like when you break it down like laptops and then company phones, right? So your labor cost should be like times 5 people, however many it is. So now I know you need 5 laptops, you need 5 iPhones and whatnot. And then you're going to put your cost per item here, and then you'll have your total at the end. Again, this is just I don't want to give you all the answers, so I'm just giving you ideas on what you're looking for. I expect this list to be a lot larger. So there you have it. That's it. What you're going to do is you're going to submit this portion and your discussion board portion if you're not in class. If you are in class, we'll probably have a different activity for the individuals that are in class. So that's it. Don't forget to save it and submit it. Thank you for watching.